In this video, we will see a really nice and fun application which is called Dog Scanner application, and it's used to identify your dog breed or any dog actually. So basically what it is, it's a smartphone that will help you to scanner through your camera a picture of a dog, or also in real time you can point your camera on your dog, and then you can use this scanner and it will give you the results and will tell you if it is a mixed breed or if it is pure, and the percentage of the breed and so on. You can also create an account and participate to a very large community, and also you have like all the breeds that are supported, and as you can see here you have more than 300 breeds that you can check, and you can use these just to have detailed information about dogs and so on. So it's a pretty, again, it's pretty fun but also useful for those of you who likes dogs. So right now I am showing you my smartphone right here on the right, on the left. I have my Play Store right down on the bottom right, and I will search for Dog Scanner, and I have already installed it, but you can install it easily with the usual green button right here on the right. You click, you download it, you install it, and when it's ready you can open it. Okay, now this is the app, and I have already used this app once, but the first time that you open this app it will ask you to give the permission to use your documents and your gallery, because as I said before, you can just upload a picture that is on your gallery and use that to scan your dog, or else you can do this real time, and I will show you the real time process right now. So to do this, you can either use the camera or the video recorder. I think that the video recorder is more accurate, but you can try both. In this case I will use this one, this icon right here, and this gray circle here in the middle, this will be your button to launch your scanner. So to demonstrate to you how this app works, I will go into Google and just search for dog picture or dog photo, wherever. Okay, and you can see here I have a lot of pictures, of course, and let me try with this one, the first one that it's right here. So I will point my camera, so I will point my smartphone and my smartphone camera on this picture right here, and I will do this real time, as you can see. So I'm just using my smartphone to make a picture of my screen of my laptop. Okay, no, that's the image that you see right there on the right, and I will press now this gray circle button right here. There you go. So I will click it, and this is a line representing the scanner that is calculating, and now it's identifying the various breeds. It's searching for similar pictures in its database, and the more users will participate to this app, the more accurate it will become. And there you go. So it's telling me this in Italian, but this means mixed race, so it's a mixture of more races and or breeds. Also, one important thing when you use a picture or you make a video or a picture of your dog or any other dog, be careful to get the head and the body as clearly as you can. Don't take picture from too far, don't take it from too near, just something like that where you can see the body, the face, and everything. That it's really important to identify. Also like that, it's very good because you see the head, the face, and the side. And well, this is it. So let's see what happens here in the application. So it's telling me, and I can also share. So this button here is for sharing. You can see the symbol of the sharing here, and you can send this in WhatsApp or Facebook or whatever social network you use. And let's see what it says. Well, it says it's a mix of multiple breeds, and everything is in English, so only just few things are in Italian. but the most important are in English. So it's telling me that this is 52% Hogwarts or something like that, Golden Retriever 27%, and Nova Scotia Duck Tawny Retriever 18 and 8%. And here I can see this graphic showing the percentage of the various breeds. And if I scroll down again, I can load the scanner again, I can share it again. Down here, I can again open up the scanner. I can see with this watch the previous operations that I have done, like previous scans. And also this is really important, these 3 lines, this is the part. Okay, and sometimes you will have to watch and hear some advertisement, but you can also buy the application if you don't want to see any advertisement at all. Okay, now here you can see all the supported breeds or races of dogs, so you can check manually if your dog looks like one of these, and also you can see the codes and other very important information. So let's say, for example, this one. Okay, so it's telling me, well, this is in Italian right now, but I think this will set automatically in your own language. So this is really nice because you really have a lot of information of probably the most important breeds in all the world. Okay, and then you can click here if you want to have feeds, and here you can set up your profile, and you can participate, like subscribe, create an account, share your pictures, share comments with other users of this smartphone app. And so this is it for this video. I hope you enjoy it. I will also show you real quick our YouTube channel, which is JBDTube, and you can check other video guides here about similar topics if you like photo editing or apps or software, video games. We have a lot of video guides here, so you can subscribe and stay updated. And we publish video guides in Italian and English. And if you are looking for something specific, you can search for it here. So for example, if you search for scanner, you will find similar scanner apps, for example, scanner to identify cats races as well, or cat breeds. Other stuff here like 3D scanning, and we take a lot of time to produce a lot of video guides and video courses. If you want to have something more professional, you go to playlist and you have these English video courses here on 3D modeling, photo editing, video editing, and so on. And so if you want to support us, you can do that by the community page and through the store. Otherwise, you can just subscribe, leave comments, suggestions, questions, whatever you like, anything that it's positive and it's useful, otherwise it won't be published. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.